Hi, my name is Alexandria Weber, and I'm Mrs. Weber's daughter. Today I'm going to teach you a flower combination from the Nutcracker. I'm going to review some steps, but maybe some are new, so I'm going to go over them. So the combination starts in fifth. You're going to do a plie, but it's going to glide along the floor with your foot, so it's going to go plie, and then your back foot's going to point, and then you're going to go back with both your legs bending, plie, the other foot points, and you close in fifth, and then tendu forward. You make a circle around your leg, goes through first, make another circle through your leg, closes in fifth. You do the same thing to the other side, plie, stretch, circle around your leg once, second time, closes in fifth. Then you're going to do two glissades, so it's going to go brush, hop, close in fifth, front, brush, hop, close in fifth, front, and you're going to go pas de bourrée, so this foot is going to go back, the other foot goes side, and then this other foot goes front, and then from there you go on your toes up to fifth, su. So it goes su, you turn around, back to fifth, then you repeat those two glissades, brush, hop, close in fifth, brush, hop, close in fifth. And this time, instead of the pas de bourrée, we do a pas de chat. So it's a jump that goes passe, second, passe to tendu, but we're gonna jump it. So passe with this foot in front, and then you end with looking over this hand, like this. Plie, tendu, circle, close in fifth. Plie, tendu, circle, close in fifth. Brush, hop, close, pas de bourrée, soutenu, turn. Brush, hop, close, passe to tendu, up.